Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, I will show you the right way to use a T-square on a drawing board. This is a drawing board. This is a T-square, and it has these key parts. This is the wrong way of placing the T-square on a drawing board. This is also wrong. This is the correct way of placing the T-square on a drawing board. This is the best way of holding the stock of the T-square against the side edge of the drawing board. Always, while working, check and make sure the stock of the T-square touches firmly against the side edge of the drawing board. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can support us by making a donation through the link in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel, share this video, and give it a like. Goodbye.